Welcome back to our NIVS home school, dear student. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shivali Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your English literature class for the student of class 1. Our today's topic is true false question answer and MCQ question from chapter 5. So let's get started our class. Topic to false MCQ question answer unit 5. At first we will do true false. Number 1, little grey cat does not like his tail, so he wants a new one. We know from this story it is false because little grey cat have a look on a book. Little grey cat is not sad anymore, so it is false. Number 2, the cats see a rabbit with a small white tail. From this story we know that it is true. Now go through the main story. Here that rabbit has a small white tail, so it is true. Number 3, the bird has a big tail. You know this answer is false because from this story we know that what tiny tails those birds have. So the birds has a tiny tail, so it is false. Now come to the question answer. Number 1, why is little grey cat sad? From this story we know that little grey cat is sad because he has no tail. So at first we have to identify our subject. Here little grey cat is subject. So at first we will write subject. Here little grey cat. Then we will write verb. Here is verb. Is sad because he has no tail. Why is little grey cat sad? Answer, little grey cat is sad because he has no tail. Number 2, what do the other cats tell him? From this story we know that his friends tell little grey cat not to be sad. So the answer will be the other cats, that means his friends. The other cats tell him, then verb. Here tell is verb. Him not to be sad. Number 3, what kind of tail does the horse have? From this story we know that this horse has a big tail. So here subject is the horse. Then we will write verb. Here subject the horse is a third person singular number, so we have to add here has. The horse has a big tail. Now come to the MCQ question, that means multiple choice question. Number 1, what type of tails do the birds have? Option A, big, B, nice, C, tiny. Which one is correct? From this story we know that the birds have a tiny tail. So from this story we know that what tiny tails those birds have. So correct answer will be tiny here. Number 2, the peacock's tail has dash colors. Number A, green, yellow and blue. Number B, red, yellow and green. Number C, blue, red and pink. Which one is correct? Let's have a look What a lovely tail this peacock has, green, yellow and blue. So correct answer will be A, green, yellow and blue. Number 3, who tell the cat not to be sad? We know from this story his friends tell the cat not to be sad. So number option A, horse, number B, peacock, number C, his friends. Correct answer will be C, his friends. Again I am telling these questions. Number A, true false, little grey cat does not like his tail, so he wants a new one. It is false. Number 2, the cat see a rabbit with a small white tail. Correct answer 2. C. 3, the bird has a big tail. False. Question answer, why is little grey cat sad? Answer, little grey cat is sad because he has no tail. Number 2, what do the other cats tell him? The other cats tell him not to be sad. 3, what kind of tail does the horse have? The horse has a big tail. MCQ question, what type of tails do the birds have? Tiny. Number 2, the peacock's tail has a dash colors, green, yellow and blue. Number 3, who tell the cat not to be sad? His friends. Student, dear student, now come to the homework. Our today's homework number 11 and topic 2 false MCQ question answer from unit 5. You have to write only answer, student. Write only answer like this. True false. Number 1, only answer. And MCQ question. Number 1, only answer. And question answer A, only answer. You have to write like this on your homework copy. So student, dear student, hope you have understood our today's topic. Stay well and keep practicing at home. See you next class. Thank you all.